This is Rome, Piazza del Gesù, and this is the mother church of all Jesuit churches in the world. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of churches, Jesuit churches around the globe that mimic this one. It's beautiful inside. You will go there one day, but not today. This, across the street, is Palazzo Altieri. Altieri was an important family. They provided a pope and 7 cardinals. And in the middle of 17th century, in the middle of 17th century, they started to rebuild their home here in Rome, which ended up in this palazzo. It's humongous. You can look at it on Google Maps. It's huge and occupies the entire block. And the reason we are talking about it today is because we rent an apartment here. The palazzo now belongs to a bank, but several apartments can be rented, and we rented one of them. The problem is that as any respectable ancient palazzo, this one has a lot of holes in the walls and dark corners where spirits and ghosts live, and they can jump at you at any moment when you try to get to your apartment. So you never know if you will get to your apartment from these gates in one piece, or you will end up somewhere in the underworld, or worse, will be pulled into whatever dark corner and devoured there. So every time you try to enter this gate, it's a challenge. I'm afraid to go there alone, so I ask you to accompany me this time. So let's cross the street right now and enter the palazzo and go to our apartment. Okay, at night, this gate, this humongous door is closed, but we have a key. Palazzo still has a lot of pieces of art. We can use this wonderful staircase, but I'm going to cheat this time. And use ascensore. This beautiful staircase continues. Let's see. Spooky, eh? Let's try this. That's beautiful, but it's wrong way. It looks like we got lost again. Let's turn around. Probably that way we're supposed to go. Somewhere there. Yeah. Altieri family extinct in the middle of 20th century, but the cadet branch still exists. Uh-oh, one light is out. Huh. No, I'm afraid to go there. Let's try this door. Phew, it looks like we're at home finally. We made it this time. Thank you.